Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the notifications bottom panel, and just to mute your device notifications we should slide this blue dot to the left side with our finger. But here we can see that we can do it just to mute the notifications by this way. We can do it by the second way, just by slide to the center the alert slider here. But now we can see that we mute not only device notifications, also we mute the ringtones. If you wanna stay with the ringtones and just mute notifications, I suggest here just to do it by the second way. Just first slide here to the notification sound section and switch your currently notification sound. For example, I have now selected this one, switch it just to none and just go back to save the changes, and after that you'll stay with the ringtones, but all your notifications, they will be muted. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.